Hi everyone! Good morning. I think it's around 9 a.m. This week is actually our midterms week. I will be visiting the campus later around 12 p.m. So, meron ako exam. So, I have to prepare for that. Before anything else, I'm gonna make coffee para magising ako. Let's go! I'm gonna use this one, these two. We got some ice. So, I got my coffee. Decided to make one na and hindi na ako bibili sa campus para less hassle. Para pagdating ko sa campus, diretso na ako mag-take ng exam. I have my reviewers here. Yan. Ito ang status ko kagabi. Konting review na lang kasi maaga pa naman. It's 9:10. Yung first class ko dapat 9:15. But since tapos na kami sa subject na yun, hindi namin kailangan mag-class. I'm just gonna review a bit.
Watch those 3 videos to get that small guide video. So, typically shape quality and orange brown are just the ones to go.
I'm gonna get ready real quick. Mag-exam lang naman ako, so hindi na ako mag-ayos masyado. I'm using the shade Caramel. I'll link it below. Kagabi, inayos ko na yung outfit ko for today. And I'm going to wear... Ito lang. Ay, wala palang ilaw dito. I'm just gonna wear this. This is a tee from Uniqlo. Then, this one is from Shopee. But before that, mag-aayos pala ako ng bag ko. For my bag, I'm just gonna use this tote. And yung mga dadalhin ko, hair tie, face mask, my wired earphones. I prefer this kapag nasa school kasi kapag yung mga AirPods, ang hassle kapag low-bat sila. So, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko parati. My reviewer, and then of course, my laptop. I have this case. I just got this from Shopee kasi nawawala yung case ko ng cookie. So, bumili lang ako ng super mura lang. Tapos maganda dito kasi meron siyang pocket sa unahan. So, nalalagay ko pa yung charger. Ayan, may ballpen pa ako. So, ayan, magpapalit lang ako ng damit. See you guys later. Hi guys! It's the next day. I think it's around 6 p.m. And I decided na I will be doing a quick haul ng mga recent purchases ko. Wala na, namiss ko lang mag-haul. So, pero later may mga gagawin pa ako. So, tapusin ko na to para wala na akong isipin. And kailangan ko na rin sila ligpitin. I'll share with you guys this one kasi feeling ko hindi na kayo magko-Korea haul ni ate. So, dito ko na siya i-share. I got new shoes. This is from New Balance. I'm so happy with this pair kasi super tagal ko na itong gusto. Ta-da! So, these are the New Balance 550s in white gray. White gray, basta ganyan lang itsura niya. I'm not so good sa mga names ng sneakers. But ito yung pinili ko. Si Casey kasi, yung binili niyang pair is yung ganito. Yan. And alam ko si ate, ganito din yung style nung kanya. But I decided to go with this kind of pair kasi parang feeling ko hindi siya sporty tingnan. Pwede pa siya pang casual, ganyan. So, around 5K ko lang to nakuha and like super worth it mamili talaga sa Korea kasi SRP mo siya makukuha. Unlike dito sa Philippines na around 10K na yung gantong pair. So, parang times 2. I'm so happy na nakuha ko to. Oh, I got a PR from Sunny's. Though binuksan ko na siya kasi excited ako. Thank you so much, Sunny's, for sending this. This is their Sunny's Agenda 2023. And may letter pang kasama. So cute, guys. And then I got a few stuff from Shopee. This one, yung lagi kong gamit. I mean, ito lang yung ginamit kong mini bag nung nag-Korea. This one! Super cute. Reminds me so much of Goyard. And it's just so cute and super dali niya bagayan. Like, you can wear anything and bagay pa rin tong bag na to. And super dami na nagde-DM sa inyo kung saan ko nakuha to kasi ito yung lagi kong bag nung nag-Korea nga. So, this one sayang kasi I got this para masuot ko siya sa Korea but then di siya umabot. Anyway, ang ganda pa naman niya. Like, super ganda ng quality. I got this dress. A long dress. Wala, ang ganda na ito, guys. Like, super ganda ng fit. Yung tela niya is parang mas makapal talaga. So, ayan. Sayang hindi ko siya nasuot nung nag-Korea. But, well, pang Instagram ko na lang siya, I guess. Oh, I also got this one. The Get Ready With Me Fixing Spray. I've tried it na and super love ko siya. So, since malapit na mag-11/11, I will link it below para i-check out nyo na kasi feeling ko mag-sold out to agad. And then, this is the last thing that I got. I got this tote bag from Shopee as well. Kasi, na-realize ko na kailangan ko pala ng mga iba't ibang color ng tote bag for school. Kasi, yung lagi kong ginagamit is yung blue. Bumili ako ng brown para medyo neutral naman, hindi na blue. May nakalagay lang, allow yourself to grow. Though, super lightweight na tong tote bag na to. And hindi kasya yung laptop ko dito. There are days na iPad lang yung dadalhin ko or like may wallet, may phone, a notebook. Ito yung gagamitin ko. And I'm planning to buy a white tote soon. So if you have suggestions, comment down below.
Shake it up. Oh, water lang.
Baka mag-ice tea. What's that? Kakatapos na namin mag-dinner, guys. Now I'm going to drink my vitamins. I have to, as of the moment. I'm going to be doing my skincare after a long day. Feel ko na kung nagawa ngayon. Actually, guys, nandito si ate. Hindi ko kung
Asan ako? Dito lang ako.
Uy, ate, sabay ka ba? Tara na! Sabay na kayo mag-skincare.
Ang galing, hindi kita yung loob.
Say hi to my vlog. I think this is
Or
your
vlogging.
second appearance sa vlog
In
ko.
my vlog.
Every time na nasa school kami, parang bihira ko lang siya makita kapag
Yes, kahit sa house bihira lang talaga.
Really? Lately, super konti na lang ng ginagamit ko na products. Kasi
Lalo ako.
I have sensitive skin. Yung isa dyan kasi tamad. Kaya gusto
Yeah, kapag tamad din kayo mag-skincare, make sure na maghanap na lang kayo ng products na nag-work kahit konti lang sila. Sige na, ikaw na muna.
Ano sige, sumabay ka na?
Ano sa ganyan lang? Sige, so nag-rush ako na hands.
Ay, di ko na sabi, I'm using the Oxycure pH 5.5.
Ito-focus ko to. Gentle cleanser na Gentle Monster. na Oxycure.
Actually guys, that cleanser, it has a multi-calm soothing complex. And alam mo ba yun?
Oh, soothing
yun?
complex. Nakaka-soothe siya ng face. Oh.
Ay,
It's very calmly. Calmly.
It also repairs your skin barrier. Alam mo ba, te? Di ba pag in-apply mo isang product, parang mahapde, tapos sisihin mo yung product.
Yeah.
Minsan pala, sabi ng derma,
I know that.
ano?
May problem yung face mo.
Yeah,
Sira yung
sira yung skin barrier
Oo,
mo.
Kasi, huwag mo sisihin sa products.
Oo, huwag hindi na pala.
Siyempre yung skin mo.
Oo.
Totoo yan kasi pag damage yung skin mo,
Mahahapdi yan.
mahapdi. Kahit anong ilagay mo,
Oo.
mahapdi yan. Girl, kapag may suot ka sa kamay, di ba?
Lalo na kung sensitive skin ka nga.
Oo, kaya nga dapat ka gumagamit ka ng mga
Products na will help you repair your skin barrier.
repair and hindi harsh sa skin.
Ina ba tayo? Suko ba kayo guys? Suko ba?
Kung kaya GoPro, dito yung sa tubig.
You can use it also for your body. It's a face and body cleanser, by the way. And super, like, sulit siya kapag binili nyo. Get some tissue.
And then, itop nyo lang. Kailangan mo maano yun, ma-take note na kailangan pag cleanser ka, matanggal mo talaga lahat ng dirt kasi that can cause pimple din. So, as much as possible, remove your face. Remove the dirt in your face using this cleanser. So after we cleanse our face, it's time to put our Ultra Gentle Moisturizer from Oxycure as well. These two are the perfect pair for each other. It's a perfect pair. May PNF problem. Perfect pair. No, it's a perfect pair for each other kasi nagkakilala sila ng mga bata pa. Ano ba yun ang kwento? So it's a lightweight aqua gel cream. So like kanina lang din, very mild lang siya.
It is specially formulated for sensitive skin.
Yes, and knowing you talaga, kailangan mo talaga ng ganito. So gagamit ako.
This one naman has amino acid aqua technology. And again, it helps repair the skin barrier, and since moisturizer nga siya, helps your skin hydrated
And moisturize. Kaya siya, perfect pair kasi nga, perfect siya sa sensitive. Actually, you can live with this too na. If you want simple skincare, kung start ka pa lang, mag-go kayo sa mga pairing na products na parang hindi na...
Nagkaka-problem with ingredients.
Yes. So,
May
make
hindi
sure...
pwede sa ganito. Ay, pag may ganito ingredient at wala na ganyan. Pero since perfect pairs sila, you don't need to worry about that. Actually guys, this is fragrance-free as well, which is one of the key factors. Kapag fragrance-free yung product, it has non-toxic chemicals. It just naturally contains beneficial ingredients that will not irritate your skin. So this one's fragrance-free.
Tama na, dami sinasabi.
Okay, so that's it for our skincare. Ate, ang liit mo!
Okay, kasi nga yung floor doon nakaslant. Kaya ako, aakyat ako.
Ayaw nga, no?
Eh, pag
Ay, siya,
bumababa
sige,
talaga.
pantay.
Kaya hindi talaga pantay dito.
Kaya pala ang taas ko dito.
Kaya nga.
Ang weird naman dito. Also guys, as I've mentioned kanina, it's almost 11:11. That's why I highly suggest na mag-check out kayo that day kasi you can get up to 55% off plus a free exclusive Mega Minis giveaway. So, don't worry guys, lahat ng links nito nasa description box para diretso check out na kayo this 11:11.
Yung mo, Nicole, ang galing.